Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hussein Baba here. Today, we are not in Labrador Park, we are in Southport. That is 69 Queen Street. And we have brought food at this motel. There are 50 occupants. Hello Mark, how are you? Good to see you again. All right, Mike, this is Mark, one of the people operating the center. Usually Emma is here, busy. Today is a Sunday, right? So this happened on weekend and we got food here prepared by a good family, Yagi family. Okay, Mick, come on. Can we give you a hand? You can manage? Okay, let's have a look. All right, here we have. Good day, how are you, Mike? Can you take this?
How are you?
I'm okay.
Sure.
Thank you, thank you.
Emma was telling me.
Yeah, that's right.
You guys are coming.
Yeah, that's right.
Great.
Good, good, thank you. Hello, how are you? Let me open and have a look. Come on, let's have a look. What's... Okay, all right. That's chicken, nice chicken. Okay, let's open it. Okay.
Wow, look at that.
Smells good, eh?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, smells good.
Wow, this is great, guys.
It is, yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So I want this to happen every week, Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Let's see what is this. This must be the salad as well. Oh, rice, okay. Smells good, bro. Smells good. All right. So that's what I'm saying. If you guys can support every Saturday and Sunday with hot meals, they really need hot meals. There are about 50 occupants in this motel, right? So they need meal. So like if you can just make a meal like this. So I know you got many of you are busy on a weekday, so you're not able to support a Monday program. But please try to support us on the weekend program, which is on Saturdays and Sundays. All right? All right. Okay, brothers, enjoy yourself. The food is here. Enjoy it. All right. Okay, no problem. So we'll try to
really
do.
Excited about hearing what you.
We'll see you next time. Okay, all the best. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Alhamdulillah, this week's food and the meals were provided by Yagi family, Mick Yagi. Okay, Mick Yagi is a good brother who comes to the Gold Coast Masjid, and he saw one of my videos. He said, "Brother, I want to be part of it," and Allah gave him the opportunity. And the man is standing next to me. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. How are you? He's camera shy. I must tell you, he's camera shy. He was not willing to appear in the camera. He's happy to help, but he don't. But I said, say a few words. All right? Yeah, mate.
Alhamdulillah. Look, we do things for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first and foremost. But to appear in your video and encourage other people, inshallah, to help one another. At the end of the day, Islam has no discrimination in humanity whatsoever. We all got to help people. Our kindness will lead people to ask, who are these people? Who are these Muslims? We thank Allah first and foremost for giving us the opportunity to be able to provide for these people. Yeah. You never know. One day you might need to provide for me. Yeah. You know what I mean? So, alhamdulillah. And if it wasn't for your videos, like you said, if it wasn't for your encouragement, we wouldn't have known about this. Yeah. So I'll keep spreading the word, brother, and inshallah there'll be more brothers out there that will help. And don't think it's just they're not Muslims. No. They are humans. They are the creation of Allah. Allah created it all. Show them kindness. Kindness comes iman. And that's what we can do, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. He told me he's a man of few words, but he spoke alhamdulillah. What I'm trying to say is, Mick saw my videos and he said, well, I have to do something about it. He spoke to his wife and together they cook. And especially the wife cooked the meal that you just watched. Now, what Mick said was, he thanked Almighty Allah for giving him and his wife the opportunity to do something for the underprivileged. MashaAllah. That's what it is. He doesn't want fame or name. He just wants to thank Allah for giving him the opportunity. Of course, he helping others. He's helping himself and themselves too. He help others to help us. You know, we get rewarded at the end of the day. So inshallah, hope some of you could heed to this message. Do something. On Mondays, you can bring the food to Labrador. On weekends, Southport, that is 69 Queen Street. So please do contact me and then we'll organize it. Okay, may Almighty Allah bless you. Inshallah, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.